150 centimeters and can yield as much as 650 grams per square meter. Boasting a whopping 28.5% THC, Gorilla Cookies Auto is perfect for growers who want big yields without needing an overly complicated setup. Its dense buds and robust growth make it an excellent choice for those looking to push their harvest to the next level. The terpene profile adds a rich kush flavor with hints of earthy mint and a subtle sweetness reminiscent of freshly baked cookies. Another top performer is Strawberry Gorilla Auto, one of the strongest autos on the planet with an insane lab-tested 29.86% of total cannabinoids. With THC levels up to 28% and yields reaching up to 600 grams per square meter, this strain is a powerhouse for growers that value both quality and quantity. It's
600 grams a square meter. That's nice grammage right there. Shouts out to people that know how much that is in grams. You better do your math, folks. Do your math.
It's also a proven winner, taking first place at the American Auto Flower Cup in Los Angeles, California, further highlighting its incredible performance potential. The rare terpene profile delivers a genuine and super intense strawberry taste, reminiscent of freshly picked strawberries. For those who want a strain that excels in resin production, Papaya Cookies Auto is a fantastic choice. Known for its dense, resin-coated buds, it's a favorite among growers looking to make hash or concentrates. With yields of up to 550 grams per square meter and a THC content of up to 29%, Papaya Cookies Auto is also one of the best new strains according to the Auto Flower World Cup 2024. The terpene profile delivers a ripe papaya taste, accentuated by a sweet cookie background, offering a refreshing mix of papaya fruit terps with hints of creamy cookie on the inhale. So, now you've selected your genetics, it's time to think about your grow setup. Lighting is one of the most important factors in achieving big yields. Auto flowers typically thrive under an 18-6 light cycle, 18 hours of light and 6 hours of darkness. High-quality LED lights are ideal as they provide the intensity needed for dense buds while keeping energy consumption manageable. Good lighting is crucial for full potential realization in high-yield strains. Another essential element is nutrition. Auto flowers require a balanced nutrient mix, so it's best to start light and gradually increase nutrient levels as the plant matures. During the flowering, bloom nutrient rich in phosphorus and potassium will encourage bigger, heavier buds. Training techniques like low-stress training, LST, can further boost your yield. By gently bending and tying down branches, you increase light exposure across the canopy, encouraging the plant to produce more bud size. This technique works especially well with vigorous strains, helping growers achieve fuller, more productive plants. Water management is essential. Autoflowers do better with light, more frequent watering to avoid waterlogging and ensure healthy root development. Ensuring proper environmental conditions, such as maintaining stable temperatures between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity around 40 to 50%, is key. Good ventilation helps prevent mold and supports overall plant health, which is especially crucial for dense, resinous strains. As you nurture your autoflowers, you may encounter a few challenges along the way. Common issues like nutrient deficiencies, unexpected pest invasions, or environmental stresses can impact your yield and plant health. To effectively manage these, always monitor your plants closely for any signs of distress. For nutrient issues, ensure your feeding schedule is well balanced and adjusted according to the plant's life cycle and visible symptoms. In case of pests, keep organic pesticides on hand and maintain a clean grow space to prevent infestations. Address environmental stresses by regularly checking and adjusting your grow room's temperature and humidity levels. Remember, swift and informed actions can save your crop and help maintain optimal growth conditions, ensuring that your effort